Hey everyone, welcome back to the AMG AI tournament of the Open TTD. Of course, round 1 and round 2 has been finished, as you do see the results for round 1 and round 2 as well. Unfortunately, round 2 we didn't have actual 6 finalists, only 5 managed to get to that last, you can say, spot. So in total we're going to have 11 contestants for the final round. Now in alphabetical order, here we have them. We have AiAI. And of course the versions are beside each of the actual AI names. Then we got Choochoo, Clueless, Convoy, Moguls, OTVI, Roadrunner, Rondje, Simple AI, Terron AI, and Trance. These are, you can say, the finalists for the actual AMG tournament finals, the AI finals, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let us see which of these 11 finalists is going to be the overall champion of the AMG AI tournament. So let the actual game begin. Hey guys, I'm back. This is the AMG AI finals, and now the finals have been started again. Keep in mind that none of the actual GRFs have been activated. There's no game scripts. This is game scripts. I can't even speak now. This is right off the bat defaults. Let's just take a look at our AIs. We already, 2 of them did directly jump into the game. Let us just speed the game up a bit. We should have the other ones jumping in, and yes, 2 more jumped in. Convoy coming in, Mogul already in, ATVI already coming in, Roadrunner, Rondje, Simple AI, Terron, and Trance, and that is it. We do have all the AIs in play. The finals have just officially started. It is 26th of February. It took around 20 days for them all to start. So I do believe the first AI has maybe a 20 days head start, but that's pretty much irrelevant, especially when it comes down to the AIs playing now. Let's take a look at the company value graph. So far it's still completely dead, but something will churn out. I'm not going to start building anything in the beginning of the game, because if I do start building, then they will start to build directly where I build off first. So I'm gonna wait for them to actually finish off, and then I will see what to build. So let them start off first, and then we shall see. Well, then I'm back, and this is still 90-90. We have just started the tournament, 4th of December. It's going to be finally the first year may have just passed, and we do already see that the AIs have gone to work pretty aggressively. Let's take a look at who seems to be in the top place. So far, Rondje is steaming ahead with 8 vehicles, followed by, I do believe, Advanced Capital Ventures with 8 vehicles. So pretty interesting to see what's going to be happening in this final matchup. These are supposedly the best AIs. These are not even supposedly, these are the best AIs so far that have managed to be on the top of the list in my previous 2 semi-finalists. So this is going to be very interesting to see how the finals are going to turn out to be. And hope you guys are rooting for a specific AI. Both cases I will be back in a couple of years' time, as this is 1991, and we shall take a look at how this actual finals progress. Well then, now it is back. I'm back. It is year 2000, and in year 2000 we do have, of course, Advanced Capital Ventures is still leading by a massive jump. As you can see, he has went 4 planes directly off from the beginning, as you do see the huge jump by Massive Capital, but the rest of the AIs are really lagging behind. Let's just take a look. We do have Convoy in 2nd place. As you do see, Convoy is still in 2nd place, and the 3rd and 4th place is still not really decided, as time will tell exactly what's going to happen. We do have 50 more years to go, so let us see how this progresses. Well, I'm back, and now it is year we're in November 3rd, 2014. We do currently have still Advanced Capital Ventures still leading the actual pack with 767 aircrafts at 127 million pounds, followed by Convoy, OTVI in 3rd place, Moguls Transport in 4th, and I do believe that's about it for the first 4 players. So far it's pretty interesting to see that still really nobody has been able to even catch up with Advanced Capital Ventures. Now Advanced Capital Ventures is of course the Terron, you can say, AI. So Terron really is in the lead, followed by Convoy and OTV. This is really nice to see that Terron is really using the aircraft to the actual maximum. As you do see, aircrafts are increasing again substantially. He is buying in more aircrafts. So this is really a one-way game. So far, Terron seems to be in the lead, and he is going to be most probably for the #1 spot of the finals of the AMG tournament for the AI. Well, I hope you guys enjoy this. This is now officially 2013 January, 2015 January, and I'll see you guys again in a couple of years. years' time, and well, let's see what happens. Hey guys, I'm back again now. It's April of 21st of April 2025. It's a couple of years ahead, and you can say that it has changed a little bit for the top 3 positions. There is a battle going on. We do have Transwinter, a new, you can say, addition to this actual competition. He did manage to pick up some time back, and he is going pretty aggressively, of course, because he did start off with the aircraft, so he's getting that income and that company value increased substantially. So for the first place, of course, we still continuously have Terron as the first, you can say, AI. He is in first position, currently by far beating everybody else with a substantially huge gap. And on the second place we do have OTVI, and third place is Transwinter as the third AI position. And that's pretty much it. Convoy is substantially going down. He's not really doing very well now. Currently his value is going down, and that's pretty much it for the top 3 positions. As always, see you guys in a second, and let's see who exactly the finalist is probably going to be. It does look like the Terron's going to hold his position, but we still have 25 years ahead of us, so let's see what the finalist and who the finalist is going to be. Well, I'm back. 10 more years have passed. It's the 15th of March 2035. So far we do still have Terron in the lead with 396 road vehicles, 932 aircrafts, with an actual company value of 9,925,000,000 pounds, followed by Transwinter. And on the third place we do have Choochoo, still going pretty strong, I must say. Choochoo is turning out to be quite a good AI to have along. And then you have Moguls actually is in the fourth place, but a really surprising turnaround. Transwinter did suddenly shoot up to the second place, as he did of course start to produce and use his actual aircrafts. Clueless, of course, is starting to come back into the game as well. Clueless also starting up with his aircrafts, so Clueless might even have a chance to catch up to Transwinter. It really depends on how this is going to turn out to be, but so far it is pretty interesting. The AIs seem to keep switching between the second all the way to the fifth place, as of course the AIs start converting and start using the actual aircrafts and more trains. Well, this is it for another update that's been happening so far. We can of course take a look at the actual map. I did prep the map up, so let's just take a look at the actual map around. We do have, you can say, one of the AIs here, turquoise. I was just trying to figure out how the hell to say that damn color. So we got turquoise there. We got a lot of turquoise around here. Red. Of course, we do not see Terron as he is using aircrafts, but a massive railway network here. Why don't we just take a look at that and see what we have? Let's just minimize these, and let's just take a look at the actual road network and rail network here. This is just insane. This is Choochoo, of course. Choochoo really going nuts. It would be really nice if one of you guys could program AI to work exactly like Terron and Choochoo, the same thing, having the best of both worlds, that being trains and airplanes. But really interesting to see what you guys are going to come up with. But so far, this seems to be a pretty cool you can say final. Hey guys, I am back. We are at the final stages of the finals for the AMG AI tournament. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So far, it does seem to be that Terron is gonna be in first place with a company net value of $3 billion. We're just a few days away. It's the 28th, 29th of December. Sorry, my voice is losing. I don't know why I'm losing my voice. And 31st, and here we go. This should be the actual official end of the game. As you do see, it is the 31st of December of 2050. Now, as we do see that, as expected, we do have Terron in the first place, followed by Transwinter with 1.1 billion pounds. Of course, he also has aircrafts. Third place goes to Choochoo. Fourth, Moguls, and fifth, of course, will go to OTVI franchise. I'm looking, obviously, the company value is considered as the main, you can say, winner here, as when you are playing against AI, the only way you can outbuy them is if you can outbuy the company value. So this is one of the main key factors that is, of course, showing which is the first position. Followed by, of course, you do have Convoy, Clueless, and Rondje AI in one of the last places, followed by Roadrunner, and then we do have the remaining as well. Well, here we do have the final results for the actual final AMG AI competition. As you do see, Terron AI is in first place with a 3.1 billion company value, followed by Trans, then Choochoo at third, Moguls at fourth, OTVI at fifth, 6 is Convoy, 7th CluelessPlus, 8 is Rondje, 9 is AiAI, 10 is Roadrunner, and 11 is Simple AI. Unfortunately, Simple AI didn't manage to kickstart. I don't know why. He did pretty much have a good, you can say, run in round 2 of the actual semifinals, but unfortunately in this finals he didn't manage to kickstart, which is unfortunate. But both cases, it does seem that Terron AI is the AI to have in your Open TTD gameplays. And finally, congratulations to Terron. If you guys would like to obviously participate in any future tournaments or competitions, you can always hit me up on the email below. And that's pretty much it for this AMG first AI tournament. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and see you guys again in another video. Happy gaming. Bye.